In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Uber driver app on your smartphone. So if you are a driver, you have joined Uber, you need the right app to do your job. Uber driver app is different and unique from Uber Ride app. So as a driver, what you need is Uber driver app. To get this app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you are on Android like me, but if you're on iPhone, look for an app called App Store. Tap on it and then activate search by going to search, and search is here. Then search for Uber driver like that. And now if you run the search, you'll be taken to this page where you can see Uber driver. This is the right app, drive and deliver. So this is for drivers, and so this is for drivers. If you tap on it, one unique feature about this app is that it has this arrow. However, if you just go to Uber app like this and search, you can see it is different from this Uber. This is Uber request a ride app. This is for clients, so it does not have the arrow that is unique to the other one. So let's go back to Uber driver and let me search it. And here it is. Now to make sure it is the right app, make sure it is from Uber Technologies Incorporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 6 million reviews. The app file size is around 82 MBs, and this app has been downloaded over 100 million times. So if you see these details, then you know that you have the right app. To install it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Uber driver app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go back and go to your apps, now you should see we have our Uber driver app here. Tap on it to open and create your account to start taking or accepting requests. So that's how you can install the right Uber driver app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.